Hello, welcome to Snake Eye Crypto channel. Today, first of all, the most important thing what we will do is BNB price prediction, or why BNB coin will move to the moon in this year only. So right now, if we see, then the price of the BNB token is right now, you can see that it is around 550 to 5, it is around 550 US dollar per Binance coin. So now why people think that BNB coin price will increase? So let me give you three main factors. So one factor is the Tesla share token. So in my previous video I have explained that BNB is putting tokenized shares of Tesla, MicroStrategy, Apple and Microsoft on its platform. So obviously because of this move, the trading volume will increase, and more new traders will be exposed to the Binance platform and obviously the BNB token, because if you hold the BNB token, then the trading fees will be less. So there will be demand of a BNB token in the future. Another factor is the Bitcoin factor. So because as the popularity of Bitcoin is rising, so according to the data from SimilarWeb, traffic on the Binance has swelled from 39 million monthly visitors to 285 million in just 6 months. So that is over 700% increase, and the additional traffic allows Binance to expand its product range and scale its services. It triggers a snowballing effect that will lead to greater demand for its native platform coins such as BNB. So this is another major factor, that the rising popularity of BNB and overall crypto space has increased the popularity of the Binance site tremendously, and this is the reason why the Binance coin will be in more demand. And obviously the supply is fixed, and also they are burning tokens every quarterly according to their roadmap. So supply will decrease actually, and demand will increase. So that will actually bring the price of the Binance token to the sky high in the coming future. Another main short by Binance team is a BSC, also known as Binance Smart Chain. So in September 2020, Binance Smart Chain has been launched, which is exactly similar to the Ethereum platform, and that supports smart contracts and decentralized exchanges and dApps, decentralized apps. So in coming future we will see more and more of decentralized applications on Binance Smart Chain also. On top of that, yesterday only I have reported that Binance is going to launch this Binance is going to launch its own NFT platform in the June only. So that will also increase the demand for the BNB token. So these are basically three factors that are contributing to this increased demand of BNB in this year, next year, and in the future. And supply is limited, and because of the burn, the Binance token supply is going down actually, is reducing, and it is a direct Ethereum competitor by Binance Smart Chain. So I personally feel that the price target for Binance coin is almost more than 1000 US dollar by the year of this end. And if the price is more than this, then don't get surprised if you see price of 1500 US dollar or 1800 US dollar, then don't get surprised, because this is quite possible, because this BNB coin is getting more and more popular, and demand is increasing. Now this is a another news is 50 million US dollar reportedly stolen from Binance chain smart chain based Uranium Finance. So this is what the platform is saying, that Uranium Finance, an automated market maker platform on the Binance Smart Chain, has reported a security incident that resulted in a loss of about 50 million US dollar. And what they are saying is that uranium migration has been exploited. The following address has 50 million in it. The only thing that matters is keeping the funds on Binance Smart Chain. Everyone, please start tweeting this address to Binance immediately, asking them to stop transfer. So this error was reported allowed the attacker to steal $50 million. In the form of you can see that 80 bitcoins, 1800 ether, and 26,500 polka dot, and 7.5.7 million tether. and 638,000 ADA. So these all coins, this much of digital assets have been stolen from this project. And so I personally tell you that while using any decentralized platform, first of all, make sure that your funds are secure and the application is also safe. Now, this is a really great news for the entire Ethereum ecosystem and the crypto system. So that is a European Investment Bank has issued 121 million US dollar of digital bond on the Ethereum. So, what is that? Ether prices skyrocketed new time on Wednesday on the back of positive news from European Investment Bank. So, see, this is what they are saying. European Investment Bank is issuing 2-year digital bonds on Ethereum through Goldman, Santander, and Societe. So more and more governments are also using, and central banks are also started using the Ethereum platform to issue the digital bonds in the digital format on the blockchain. So this is a really great news for the entire Ethereum ecosystem. Now there are few really good news about the NFT marketplace. NFT marketplace is a new, but it connects all the artists from all the entire planet. So this announced that Golden State League Warriors announced that Legacy NFT collection will be there. So this is what they will be, the collectible will be include, like there 1956, 75, 2017, this championship NFT collection will be there for the auction. So NFT space is growing much more. Another great news about NFT space is Kurt Cobain's final Nirvana photo shoot to be released as an NFT. So the collection includes complete single edition set of 104 images starting at the bid of 27.27 ETH. So this is the website. You can go to this website. This shows that Kurt Cobain by Jesse Frohman, an NFT collection of the iconic photo shoot of Nirvana frontman Kurt Cobain. These photographs are from back then 1993 summer, and here is a collection. You can see that these are the collection of these photographs, and from the 3rd May you can actually the 3rd May to 7th May the auction will start, and from this you will be able to connect your wallet and you can start bidding on this collection. And you will, once you will win this auction, you will have the great you will have all the copyrights of this entire NFT collection of this 1993 photo shoot. So this is a rare collection, and if you have money to bid on this, then you can definitely go for this. Now another news about this is NFT spaces. Justin Sun launches first ever Picasso NFT with Just NFT. So Justin Sun is basically a Tron's founder and BitTorrent CEO. So he has launched the NFT for the first collections, which includes Picasso's work. So what he did is, see, recently his Just NFT fund purchased a Picasso's painting for 20 million US dollar to tokenize on the fund. So what they did is, on March 23rd, Just NFT fund purchased a Femme New Cauchy, I'm sorry for the pronunciation, by Pablo Picasso with 20 million at Christie's auction. And now this painting is on NFT as an auction. So you can say that NFT gold rush is coming, and there are lots of good news about NFT space. Now one bank, Goldman Sachs Investment Bank, doubts Bitcoin as a store of value. So every time JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs and these traditional banking giants are spreading FUD about the Bitcoin, and usually they don't support the Bitcoin. Now this Bukba Gum Shrimp Seafood Restaurants chain will start accepting Bitcoin payments. So this is another good news that this restaurant chain and it's all the brand basically have started. In interview with CNBC yesterday, Landry's chair and CEO said 80% to 90% of the company's restaurant brands, including Bukba Gump Shrimp, company Molten Steakhouse and Masterol would accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in the next 90 days. So I personally feel that they will also start accepting Cardano along with this, because Cardano is now a payment system on Shopify as well as on the WooCommerce. So I think ADA coin will also be in the demand. Also, they are accepting the Bitcoin also. So it is a really great news for the Bitcoin. So anyways, if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel, and come tomorrow for the more new great news. Thank you.